My name is K.H. Jen, Chairman and Managing Director of gridComm. All of us are conscious about the need to save electricity and the amount of electricity that streetlights burn and the hole that it burns in city and provincial budgets. It's a significant expenditure for many governments everywhere. gridComm provides a connectivity solution that enable the streetlight to talk through the cloud to a central server. And so you can pass important information like how much power the streetlight is consuming. You can issue important commands like how you dim the streetlight so as to save more energy. Since we started, we've shipped about 20,000 units of controllers around the world and deployed in 6 countries.